Hey, what's up YouTube? It's GV Trades here. So I actually took two trades today, but I just want to let you know that I actually made updates on my rules for my whole trading journey. So I'll go over that first. So nowadays I'm gonna be taking 1 to 2 trades a day. If it's a win or lose in the first trade, then I'm done for the day. If it's a break even, which what happened today, I would take a second trade. So if it's either a win or lose, I'll be done for the day. So I took a W actually after that break even. Or maybe, I guess I can also add waiting win, break even, or lose. So just 2 trades a day total. So yeah, I'm sticking with the 9:30 to 11 o'clock trading hours. If I do have a trade running past 11, I'll just let it run to TP or SL, or if I put it to break even. Which what happened today as well. Stick with the continuation model, discretionary trades at times. Risk a quarter of my drawdown. So basically, I have a 2,000 drawdown right now, so I'm risking $500 each trade. And it should at least take me 4 consecutive losses for me to blow the account. So, however, on the topstep account, if I see an A plus setup, I would risk heavier, since we don't have a daily loss limit, unlike in alpha futures on the zero account. We do have a daily loss limit, so I can't really risk heavy on those accounts. And lastly, I open the charts at 920. I don't look at it before 920, or just helps myself detach for the day, and that way I don't keep on looking at the charts all day. So open the charts 920, close at 11 o'clock. I guess this doesn't apply if I still have a trade ongoing, but that's going to be my rules going forward. And I don't think I'll be changing any of these anymore. I'm gonna have to stick with these rules right here. So anyways, trade recap for the day. So this was the break-even trade. I think I took it around 950. I got break even at around 1020 ish. And then I took another one at 1030 ish. I think I entered after 1 minute time frame for this one, but I'll explain to you why. So I entered after 1 minute. I almost got stopped out on this one actually, but let's proceed with the day. Today is October 13th. I didn't realize it was actually bank holiday, because I thought it was just for Canada, since it's Thanksgiving today in Canada. But the market still moved quite okay, I would say. We pretty much just ranged throughout the day, but we still took out the liquidity up here, which was the London highs, which I was targeting for. Anyways, my targets for today was London highs, obviously. Previous daily high was pretty far away, and previous daily lows, and then the new week opening gap. I kind of wanted to target that, but I don't think we're gonna go for that today. Maybe tomorrow, since Jerome Powell is speaking as well tomorrow. I think it's tomorrow. Yeah. So we'll see if he somehow dumps the entire market again, just like last time. Anyways, so yeah, 4 hours. We were actually holding this 4-hour gap here, but we were also inside this big 4-hour bearish gap. So I wasn't really sure as to where the market would displace at 9:30. So basically, why I entered off of this, I actually went off of I think we had this little 15-minute gap here, which we tapped into. Not a market open, like probably not this one. No, we had a gap somewhere here. Yeah, this one right here. Very small gap. We had tapped into it again around not 9:30. I don't think it's 9:30. Yeah, around 9:35. So pretty close to market open. I'm pretty sure some people took this trade shorts to the equal lows down here. I didn't take that one because I didn't want to short all, like I didn't want to short today for some reason. I kind of wanted to target the London highs, which I did obviously. So yeah, we tapped into it. But for this one, I was actually looking onto the 5-minute time frame because I just didn't like the 1 minute, just like how the 1 minute was looking. So yeah, I stuck to the 5-minute time frame for this first trade here. I think I took it after we inversed this gap here. Oh, don't have the magnet. But yeah, we inversed this gap. I waited for another, I think I waited for a couple more minutes before I entered off of this. I entered right here, 1-to-1. Break even was right here. So when we tapped into this, I put my, you know, I put it to break even obviously. So risk-free trade, obviously it didn't go well. It somehow just dropped down immediately. So after that, I actually, you know, I looked for another trade obviously. It's gonna be my second trade. So I waited for more confirmation. So I thought this candle was somehow a pretty good candle for me to long again. So I think for this one I went to a 1 minute time frame, and I think I entered off of this candle here. This is a candle. Same stop loss around here, which like I said, I almost got stopped out, but I wasn't really looking into this after 11 o'clock. I pretty much just shut it off. Now I just look at my phone. I think around 12 o'clock is when we finally hit TP, or 1 o'clock. So we did hit TP around 1 o'clock right here. I didn't go break even on this trade at all because I was like, the candles today were just so weird. They were like, each candle were like 10-20 points each, sometimes even 50 points, which is kind of weird. I don't know, but that's what I took for today. 2 trades, 1 break even, 1 win. So we did I believe this is my second winning day for the alpha accounts. However, for topstep account, I actually blew it. I mean, because I'm not sure if you guys remember last Friday we eventually dumped. I think you dumped around 11 o'clock, and my rule says I can't, you know, take a trade after 11 o'clock. So I decided to just blow the account because I took a trade right after 11 o'clock. So right now I don't have any topstep account. I just have this alpha account, and I'm also trying to pass 2 more 0 evals. Currently in drawdown right now actually, and I also have 3 more topstep evals, which is halfway pass. So we'll see what we get tomorrow. I might pass them tomorrow or not. We'll see. If it's a win, I'm gonna definitely pass them tomorrow, but I'm not gonna activate it until I get like another payout from this alpha account right here. So we'll see what happens. So yeah, like I said, if I don't, you know, if I don't follow the rules, I'm gonna blow the account. I don't really care because I'm thinking long term now. I'm not, you know, I don't care if I get a payout now. If I break my rules, it just means that I'm not disciplined enough to, you know, follow my rules. That's why I just decided to blow the topstep account. I think I was up like 500 on that account, but like I said, I wanna be more disciplined and just stick to my rules at this point. So, and I also don't want to use the lockout feature. I feel like if I'm really disciplined, I don't have to rely on this lockout feature. All I have to do is just close the application. That's it. And you know, look back at it at around 9:20 again tomorrow morning. So that's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I might do a live trading video, or I might do another trade recap. So we'll see what happens, because I'm working tonight, so it's gonna be a long day. Alright, peace.